Alright, what are we doing today, Jacob?
Welding shit.
Get her done. What are we doing?
You gotta take this washer here and weld it right onto that nut. Just like that. Lay a perfect bead around it.
With your little
Piece of shit. Wouldn't work last time.
$80 welder.
Yeah,
Just giving you the middle finger there, bud.
I see that.
Let's see how this goes. What's the outcome expected as, Jacob?
It's not gonna work.
I'll find out. Jacob with his trusty helmet here.
She's like 20 bucks, dude. She barely works, but she gets the job
Yep.
done.
Alright, trial number one.
No, we fucked up already.
Oh, shit.
Took his damn lights.
What are you looking for, Jacob?
Well, I can something to stick this bitch on. The way it looks, ain't got nothing around this damn garage. You know what my dad told me?
What?
My brake bleeder, it's junk.
It is junk. It was like $5.
Yeah, he got the job done for us.
Yeah, it did.
Just not him.
We've got the trusty old propane heater piece of shit right here. Died in like
Dude.
5 minutes.
I
What?
didn't even know I had that. It's a thread repair system.
This is your room garage.
I didn't know I had this either.
We got the old Cavalier sitting here.
Oh, I gotta check that thing out again.
It was like 1990 something. Hit some shit. Fucking man. See how good Jacob can weld here. I mean, Dickie.
Go well.
Alright, test number 2.
Shit. Holy fucking this.
Where is it?
No, we're gonna do
Watch some roll up. Come on, Dickie.
Dude, she's not in.
Make her mint.
I'm trying to.
You got JB Weld?
I wish.
Fuck. What a man would do for some JB Weld. I think you missed. We got a master welder right here, boys. We'll get back to you whenever Dickie attempts to get this thing completely on there. What happened?
Oh. Hey, I think my leg's on fire.
Well, maybe because a big ass hole in your pants?
Shut up. It's not OSHA certified, but ain't no OSHA around here.
Oh, booger loads, man. Ah,
Dude, God, that hurts.
round 2.
Finished her. She meant.
Let's see the outcome of the booger welds here.
Alright.
Oh, not too shabby for a young welder here.
Yeah.
Just got 9 more to do now.
I wish I had a fucking gas welder. I can lay some good shit down with that bitch.
Yeah, let's see how these go now. We're trying to weld the second. What do you even call those? Pegs.
Yes.
Trying to weld the second one. What's wrong? What's going on with your thing here, bud?
Doing the same shit that before. Damn wire doesn't come through.
Yeah, you'll see that on his channel, right?
Yeah.
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 Boundless Boys.
Yeah.
Check that out.
She's not.
You got the booger welded on the first one. Jacob can't weld. We'll see how this one turns out. I don't know if you can see this, but it's pretty fucking smoky in here.
A lot of sulfur.
Yeah, not supposed to be breathing in according to OSHA, but up here in Canada, we got 2 holes going out here for ventilation, eh? Fucking middle of winter.
Yeah.
10 degrees in this motherfucker. A fucking shitty propane thing right
It
now.
didn't even fucking. It cut off like 5 minutes into a work session here.
Yeah.
Shooting it.
But here's Jacob's weld job. We got 4 more to go.
Yee.
Let's get her done. Alright, we just finished the last one here. How's she looking?
I tacked the top over.
Yeah.
Shitty ass
I can
tacks.
feel the heat coming off of it.
And my shitty ass welds.
The booger welds. We got all 9 done. Now what are we going to use these for?
Tracking.
I went into this not knowing what these are for. And you just now told me. Dude, we should weld some shit for the old Kurtzman.
For what?
The old Kurtzman.
Oh.
Old greenish. Or turquoise.
Oh yeah, I gotta check that out. I forgot all about it.
What?
Checking this thing out.
Oh, dude, this thing's mint.
She is, but we got a few things we gotta fix on her.
It's a Chevy. There ain't nothing wrong with it. Just, you know, for
She's
all that.
missing the half of it.
Yeah.
I put on the old Alaskan toboggan.
Alright.
Ordered it for the last thing.
Yeah. We're gonna figure out what's wrong with this beast. We'll get right back at you. A little dicky here. A weld came off. A weld came off of what, Jake?
The old exhaust.
Oh, rattling around.
Yeah.
Little rattle box, ain't
She
it?
got a mist.
Can't really see because, you know, it's Jacob here, so. Get just the old beamer light. There we go. Give her some foam corn here.
There's 1 and 9/16.
1 9/16. What kind of weld bracket is that? What are we gonna do about it, Jacob?
No.
Nothing.
She's just gonna leak.
Is that all we're doing for today?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll catch you in the next one.